नमस्कार, सुबह 10 बजे के समाचारों में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं आर्यन और इस वक्त सीधे आपको लिए चलते हैं दिल्ली के सफदरजंग रेलवे स्टेशन पर, जहां पर रेड रिबन एक्सप्रेस को रवाना करने के लिए खुद मौके पर मौजूद हैं यूपी अध्यक्ष श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी। और तस्वीरों में हम देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से स्वास्थ्य मंत्री गुलाम नबी आजाद जी भी मौजूद हैं। उसके अलावा रेल मंत्री श्रीमती ममता बनर्जी भी मौजूद हैं। उसके अलावा दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री शीला दीक्षित भी हैं। वहां पर काफी संख्या में वहां पर लोग उपलब्ध हैं और आप देख सकते हैं अब से कुछ ही देर में
Thank you. Thank you, dignitaries. And now I'd like to request Shri Dinesh Trivedi, Honorable Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, to deliver the formal welcome address.
Good morning, everybody. On this lovely morning, Chief guest of today's function, Honorable Chairperson of UPA, Rajiv Gandhi, Chairperson Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Srimati Sonia ji, Honorable Health and Family Welfare Minister Shri Gulam Nabi Azad ji, Honorable Railway Minister Srimati Mamta Banerjee, Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi Srimati Sheila Dikshit ji, Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Sri Silvan Gandhi ji. I see Mr. Qureshi. I welcome Mr. Qureshi also. Lot of members of Parliament, MLAs. I welcome them all. Mrs. K. Sujata Rao ji, Secretary Department of AIDS Control, K. Chandramouli ji, and distinguished personalities gathered here for this auspicious occasion of flagging off of this Red Ribbon Express. It is indeed my privilege to welcome you all at this auspicious function. It is a proud moment for all of us. We are embarking on a journey during its one-year course will reach millions in the cities, towns, villages. The message is learn about HIV, AIDS, stay free from infection, do not stigmatize those who have already got infection, and come forward to avail health services to make India a healthy and a vibrant society. The concept came from Rajiv Gandhi Foundation and is being implemented by the National AIDS Control Organization. Learning from the success of the first phase, we are moving into the second phase with enhanced messages and services on board. With us is not just the Ministry of Family Welfare, but several other government ministry departments, national and international partners, and civil society and several organizations. The objective is same, to fight HIV, AIDS in the remotest of our villages, challenges, stigma, discrimination faced by people living with HIV. Break the silence surrounding issues concerning HIV, AIDS, and promote demand for services. I am extremely thankful to Honorable Sonia ji and the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation for the leadership in crafting together this innovative approach to reach the masses, semi-urban and rural hinterlands. I welcome her on this occasion and thankfully acknowledge her continuous directions and support for implementation of this national endeavor. I convey my sincerest of thanks to Mamta ji, the Minister for Railways, for providing the train. Mamta ji has always been in the forefront wherever such great occasions are there for the people. The railways rules the lives of the Indian masses It is not just the means of transportation, but also symbolizes national unity by connecting towns, villages and communities and bridging cultures. I thank the Union Minister, Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad, for his vision, leadership of the Health Ministry and the Red Ribbon Project in particular. UNICEF is also a supporting partner. I thank and welcome UNICEF also. I welcome all our mainstream ministries, department, national and international partners, members of parliament, the MLAs who are sitting here. This indeed is a very auspicious occasion, and I wish the Red Ribbon Rail a great success. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Thank you, sir. I'd now like to request Srimati Sheila Dikshit, Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, to please address the gathering.
Respected Srimati Sonia Gandhi, Chairperson UPA and Chairperson of the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Ghulam Nabi Azad ji, Minister of Health, Mamata Banerjee, Minister for Railways, Trivedi ji, Gandhi Selvan ji, all the other distinguished guests who gathered here on today, what is both an exciting and also a very auspicious moment for all of us. The train is being flagged off, which will go all over India to make people aware of HIV/AIDS and also how to live with HIV/AIDS and how to treat those patients in a society where sometimes these patients are looked at with great suspicion and derision, how to treat them as human beings and with a touch of humanity. This Red Ribbon Express is being implemented by NACO and the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation together. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation had thought of this train many years ago, and that was the first step that was ever taken to spread the message of HIV/AIDS all over the country through a measure which is not only well recognized by all Indians, but also welcomed and understood and looked upon by Indians as something which connects all of us together to meet for things which are important to this country, important for our health missions, and important for bringing all of us together. This year, the theme of the World's Day is Universal Access and Human Rights. So this train fulfills this message of access and human rights together. All that I can say about AIDS is that in this case, the case for AIDS is prevention. The care for AIDS is really prevention. And I'm sure this message will go all over the country and make people aware of AIDS and also how to treat patients, both socially and through medicine, how to treat them and how to make them well and a part of our society. Thank you very much, and thank you very much, Ghulam Nabi ji, for starting this train from Delhi. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'd now like to request the Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad, to address the gathering.
UPA Chairperson, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation Chairperson, Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, Railway Minister